Welcome back to Session 5 of GED Geometry Review. Today we tackle parallelograms and trapezoids. Both shapes look a little tilted, but they share one key idea. Their area depends on the perpendicular height, the straight up and down distance between the two bases. Let's start with the parallelogram. Its area is simply base times height. The catch is the height. It is not the slanted side. It is the straight distance from the base to the top, meeting the base at a right angle. Here is a quick one. This parallelogram has a base of 8 and a height of 5. Area equals base times height, so 8 times 5 gives us 40 square units. Notice we never used the slanted side. Now the trapezoid. It has two parallel bases of different lengths. Its area is 1/2 times the sum of the two bases times the height. In other words, average the two parallel sides, then multiply by the height. Let's try it. This trapezoid has bases of 6 and 10, and a height of 4. First add the bases. 6 plus 10 is 16. Half of 16 is 8. Then multiply by the height. 8 times 4 is 32 square units. One more for practice. The bases are 5 and 9, and the height is 4. 5 plus 9 is 14. Half of 14 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28 square units. Here is the most common mistake. Students grab the slanted side and use it as the height. Don't do it. The height is always the perpendicular distance between the bases. Look for the little right angle mark. Quick check. A parallelogram has a base of 9 and a height of 6. What is its area? Base times height. 9 times 6 equals 54 square units. So remember, a parallelogram is base times height, and a trapezoid is 1/2 the sum of the bases times the height. In both, the height is perpendicular. Average the bases for a trapezoid, and you are set. Great work today. Practice a few of these on your own, and I'll see you in the next session.